In the world of laser rust removal, we have seen a variety of models from exquisite portability to high efficiency and strength. Today, I will take you on a tour of several popular laser rust removing and cleaning machines launched by Perfect Laser, and see how they shine in their respective fields. Number 5. PE-100 Backpack Type Laser Rust Remover. This model has won the love of users with its compact structure and wearable design. The functions of spherical cleaning and manual adjustment ensure the convenience of operation and the efficiency of rust removal. Ergonomic design makes it easy for you to get started, and one person can complete the operation. Number 4. PE-100 Luggage Laser Rust Removal Machine. This model is presented in the form of a suitcase, with a total weight of only 28 kilograms. It is easy to transport by high-speed rail or air, so your rust removal work is no longer limited by geography. Number 3. Pulse Wave Type Laser Rust Removal Machine Series, including PE-X100, 200, 300, 500, and other models. These models not only offer a variety of laser and power options, but also have the ability for precise cleaning. Both precise position and precise size can achieve selective cleaning. Easy to operate, can be used with power on, and can be operated manually or with a robotic arm to achieve automated cleaning. Number 2. Raycus Laser Rust Removal Machine Series, including models such as PE-200R, 300R, and 500R. As pulse laser rust removal machines, they are not only efficient and simple, most importantly, they can protect the substrate from damage while removing rust. Number 1. Finally, let's take a look at the top players in the continuous laser rust removal machine series, PE-Z1000, 1500, 2000. As a continuous laser rust removal machine, their power can reach up to 3000 watts, and handheld operation allows you to easily meet various rust removal needs. Approximately 50 square meters of rust can be removed per hour, with a rust removal standard of SA3 or above. This model is mainly used for rust removal on rough metal surfaces, and has become a leader in the market due to its high cost effectiveness. Laser rust removal machines, with their high-tech characteristics, are gradually changing traditional cleaning methods and bringing revolutionary changes to the field of metal surface cleaning. If you would like to learn more about laser rust removal machines, please feel free to contact with us right now. You can leave message to us and subscribe our channel. More wonderful things will be presented to you.